Guys, today we're getting into the ginormous amount of Black Friday steals that I picked up. And as you guys can tell, I went pretty hard. So we're gonna be unboxing it, trying it on. We're gonna go through brand by brand. So let's get into it. All right, so starting from the top, we've got a very heavy box. Now, obviously, I wanted to make this video a while ago, but it takes ages for all of this stuff to get in. All right, so first up, we got two pieces from a brand called Sandcastle Atelier. Boy, look at these jeans. So, wow. So these are kind of like, I don't know, somewhat yellowish desert style jean. One of the most interesting things about all of their designs, they do this on their hoodies as well, is that they label what leg is which. So you've got right and left embroidered super thick on the legs. And then you've got Sandcastle right up here. And then a little phone pocket, which let's test if it does actually fit a phone. Yeah, as advertised, you can fit a phone in there, which is pretty convenient. Although, I guess, you know, why wouldn't you just use these? I just thought these things looked pretty cool. Oh, you've also got back pockets just hidden. Little zip ones, which I kind of like that detail as well. Ooh, okay, this one I'm definitely excited about. This is their denim, or I guess denim jacket. Could just be a canvas workwear jacket. So another detail that they do with their hoodie is they add these like big clips on it, which I really like that on this, even though I don't think you'd ever attach anything to this. Overall, feels very, very good quality. I'm excited to try this on. Very underrated brand, Sandcastle Atelier, looking really cool. I love this jacket. It looks so dope. It's very, very well made. The fit is really, really nice. This is a size medium, as you can tell from the tag that's on the back as well. Same thing with the pants. These are a size small. You can see they fit perfect. And I really like this extra material over here. That's a dope touch. Next brand, one that I absolutely destroyed on Black Friday is Trendtvision. So we got a couple different bits. We got a pair of their cargo pants. These kind of feel like jeans. They don't feel like traditional cargo material. Pretty heavy. So I'm wondering, how are these going to sit when you're actually wearing them? You got metal details on all of the pockets as well. That's pretty nice. Next, super basic, just picked up an essential, although I did like the way that they made this. So this is just their tank top. I got a size medium. The only interesting thing about it is that it has like a stitch running down the center. Trendtvision. First of all, hate this tank top. Like, it's digging underneath my arms. It's got no stretch. And I just feel like it's a bit too tight. I just feel like claustrophobic wearing it. Pants, a little bit crazy baggy. Like, you can really, you know, you're gonna be walking all over these things. And because this material is so heavy, it just kind of looks dead straight. Whereas like if you're going this baggy, you want a little bit of like suspension so that it kind of, you know, holds its shape a little bit more. These don't hold their shape. So not the biggest fan of these cargos. They're not bad, they're okay. This one I'm really excited for. I like the look of this a lot, and I don't own any pieces quite like this one. Ooh, silky. So this is a jersey or a mesh long sleeve t-shirt. Really nice color. I just like the way that it looks. I got a size medium in this one. Very lightweight and breathable. That's what you want for this. Then we got their mesh tee, which I really like. I like the look of it. It's just a bit too big. I don't know, this is like a medium, and the sleeves are like super long, but overall feels nice. I like the look of it, so yeah, it's certainly not bad. Last bag from Trendtvision, and it is literally just a hoodie. But this one looked super interesting. It's got an interesting wash, which is like basically just around the pocket area. And then it's also got some unique materials, like over here on the sleeve. It's like a thinner material. I don't know. I think to really appreciate this hoodie, you're gonna have to see it on. And then we got the hoodie, which I actually really like. It's a banger hoodie. I just love the wash, you know, where it's like kind of worn over this area where you would normally like have your hands. I also like the paneling on it. It's got like a different panel around the arms where it almost feels like some kind of dual loop back instead of just like regular hoodie material, almost like reversed paneling. It's a nice fit in terms of, this is a size medium. I usually wear a medium. You know, nothing too crazy going on here. The sleeves are not too long like that jersey was. So it's just like one of those hoodies that you'd wear to super cozy vibes where you're just like, yeah, I just want to chill. You know, I don't want the super tight rib holding me down. Just nice and flowy. 8 out of 10 for the hoodie. All right, next brand. This one's going to be pretty interesting because I don't even know, like, I haven't really tried this brand out. I bought one t-shirt from them when I was at ComplexCon, and I liked it so much that I was like, let's run it back, and I just scooped up a bunch of stuff from their website. This is from a brand called Loiter, which basically is a Culture Kings brand. So it's like decently affordable stuff, but they recently did a collaboration with the WWE, The Rock, which I just liked the colors and the design of it. It's nothing, you know, super crazy in terms of like actual materials. It's basically like what you see is what you get. The colors on this one is wavy. I'm a big fan of this. This is such a cool like piece. It's just because I don't own anything like this. Super lightweight and cozy. Again, nothing crazy in the material department, but I'm a big fan of this. Fit is pretty much perfect. True size, medium. Next one is this jersey over here. Another WWE one. This one just says WrestleMania 2000. I just like the colors on the black. A little bit like, feels a little bit small. Again, true size medium, but I guess it does fit, you know, it's just not as baggy as it could have been. This is pretty sick. I just like the colors on it, the green with the black, and then this two-tone effect where it's like slightly shiny on the sleeves. Next, this one feels a little bit more substantial than the other ones. It's actually a t-shirt material, and this one I really like. We got the DX long sleeve. This one is really nice because it's like this vintage wash. It's got the DX logo on the front and around the back, which is dope. Another cool piece. This is sick. It's nice. It's like a waffle material over here on the sleeves, and then just your basic t-shirt that's got this, you know, vintage style to it. And like for the price, I'm pretty happy with this. And then last piece from Loiter, we've got another jersey. This one is not part of the collaboration. It's like a see-through t-shirt, you know, like a see-through jersey. So you can kind of see, it's like a netting, which I thought with like a contrasting color underneath could look pretty cool. Final piece, this one you definitely need to wear a t-shirt underneath. It's completely see-through. It's not bad. It's not amazing. I think it looks kind of cool, but this is pretty much your standard, you know, like trendy jersey thing that's going on right now. Either way, that's what I got from Loiter. Next brand, obviously this tiny little box, because it's not clothing, it's jewelry. I do lack in the jewelry department, so I did want to stock up. These boxes are actually super sick. Twojays, I believe, is Spanish or Portuguese. So first piece over here, pretty simple, just a horseshoe bracelet. So it's like that, and then it's basically just a link. Next, this feels very light. Is it a ring? Okay, a very tiny ring. Can you even see it? Next is a little bit more substantial, so this has got to be a pretty big necklace in here. Okay, nah, this is a I don't know what you would call this, a keychain, and you would chuck this on your pants, kind of like that. It's a kind of a thing that I've been doing recently because I got a couple of these from different brands. Another pretty heavy one. Ooh, okay, this is a necklace that I do really like. It's super basic, but it's like cards on there. I don't know if you could see very well, but it's like got different cards on there, which I just like the look of. Last piece, this feels like another ring. It's so light. Oh wow, okay, no, this is a necklace. I just don't think I expected it to be this tiny. How are you even gonna detect this on camera? The card necklace, really nice. My favorite piece from Twojays. It looks so cool. I like the length of it. And then we've got the ring, which you can practically not even see. So I'm gonna come up real close, get my face out of it. There you go. Now this is gonna be a really cool piece. Something I love wearing. It's just, you just clip it in over there, and then you clip it in around the next belt loop of your pants. And then you got that. It's kind of like a necklace, but for your pants. It just peeks out. The silver on the black looks really cool. I love the star shape. Then we got the horseshoe chain. Makes it easy to put on as well. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Just, you know, pretty much like a regular chain. Oh yeah, and then we've got the super thin cross necklace that is so tiny. That is the cross. Next brand, we got good old Buxton. It looks like I probably ordered so much from them. They added in some free socks, or maybe these socks just weren't selling, but I definitely didn't order these socks. First piece, we got a flannel. Very heavyweight for a flannel. Like, it's not your regular like shirt style. It's like a jacket basically. And then you've got Buxton, and you've got the day. This is definitely a loud flannel, but it works. It's a really nice shape. It's really nice materials, really nice quality, but that's kind of what you expect for the price that Buxton charges. That's why you want to kind of, you know, shop up on Black Friday. Next piece, I got this vest. Now, this was originally like a super expensive vest because it's made out of silk. That's one thing I really like about Buxton is they do a lot of really unique pieces with like unique materials, like a lot of their knitwear and stuff like that. Almost looks like a life jacket now that I'm looking at it on camera. I like it, you know, a little bit of a pop piece, why not? It's definitely out there. It's definitely crazy. Yeah, it fits well. All right, last piece for this box, we've got a crew neck sweater, but it's just heavily distressed. It's like a knit sweatshirt, which I thought would be nice for the winter time. And you've just got insane distressing around the collar, around the wrists, and around the hemming as well. So yeah, it looks like a bit of a beat up one. We've got the distressed knit sweater. Honestly, I could take it or leave it. It's not my favorite. It's not the worst. It's just kind of, you know, if you like it, it's lightweight, which I do like. You know, some sweaters are a bit too heavy. This one's just nice and casual, so you could throw it on the top of like a long sleeve or something like that. Definitely something you can layer. We got some shorts, or a few pairs of shorts. This one is just their, I don't even know what they call it, like combat nylon shorts or something. Oh yeah, okay, so this is the first shorts. I like these. I actually forgot to record this segment, so that's why I kind of already cleaned up. Either way, yeah, these are really nice. Fit perfect. No issues with the fit. Okay, this is the nylon version. Same kind of style, except you don't have like the huge pocket. This, I really liked the way that they managed to get this, I don't know, this, I'm not gonna say texture, but this like marbling in the material. These are even nicer in my opinion. I just like the zips, and I like the texture, and I like the material. It's not stretchy, so it could be a little bit restrictive, although this doesn't feel too bad, but I could even squat, so we're all good. Next piece, okay, so we got another vest, another puffer vest. So this one is basically just a silver version of the last one, except this design is a little bit different. It's almost like translucent to some degree, so you can't actually see the down material in there. Then we got the old vest. This is just a really nice shape. Love the shape, love the color as well. Perfect fit, size medium, true size. Final piece from Buxton. This is their aluminum bomber jacket. So if you guys didn't know, I've got like a puffer, like literally on this hanger, I've got a puffer version of this, and I liked this crinkled aluminum material so much that I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna pick up the bomber version of that. We got the aluminum bomber, really, really nice piece, kind of like a special piece where, you know, it looks really different, looks really unique. I think this would look the best layered, so if I had a hoodie underneath, that would be my go-to for this one personally, but just wanted to show you what it looks like without a hoodie. Fits perfect. Again, this is size medium. You normally go with a size medium. Next up, we've got a very heavy package from, I think you guys can tell, PageBros Channel, I think is how you say it. And once you see what's in here, you'll probably recognize it. Now, I'm pretty sure this is like by far the most expensive one on this list. Yeah, it was a little bit of an impulse buy. All right, I'm gonna have to put this down. Okay, first piece, we got a pair of pants. They give their clothing pretty funny names. And I think these are called the Fat Angelo jeans. This is interesting. Insanely baggy. I don't know if I expected them to be this baggy, but you've got like a tiny waist, but then it just balloons out. Like these are so baggy. Can I even pull this off? I don't even know. And of course, we got a pair of their shoes, which I think is what they're most known for. Okay. This is, oh my lord, this is bigger than I thought. What in the world? Maybe that's why their pants are so baggy, because you're gonna be rocking them with shoes like this. This looks like something Mischief would drop. Honestly, this is way bigger than I thought. And I'm pretty sure I sized down as well. You guys are not gonna believe this one. It's... Okay, this is me baggy maxing. Now, I can't really tell if it's just the pants or if it's the pant shoe combo. These things fit like very, very well. Like you can see this is a tight fit on these jeans, and they are just huge. These shoes, comically large, and I think the combination just makes it look a little bit strange. Right, to find out if it's just the shoes, let's compare it to like a regular, just, you know, a slightly chunky pair of Jordans. Look at the size difference. What in the world? Okay, normal pair of 4s. Are these jeans just way too much? I think so. I think it's just too crazy. Like, look, if I fluff them out, look at this. That's insane. Next brand, we've got Entire Studios. All right, this I think is going to be pretty massive. This is their puffer jacket, and it's kind of like a canvas material, which I don't know why, but I didn't kind of expect that. But yeah, Entire Studios, I love their jackets. This is so heavy. Wow. Feels like it could be 5 kilos. I just don't know how practical something this heavy could actually be. I feel like I'm in some kind of suit or something, some kind of like freaking sumo suit. Love the shape of this thing. I love how it looks. It's just, I think it's just too big. This is a size medium, but it's not even about like the actual size. It's just about how oversized they went with it. Like, I feel like I'm wider than I am long, which is pretty crazy. Next piece, we've got just a sweatshirt. Now, I already have one of their sweatshirts. This one's just a slightly different color. It's a little bit more faded. Just a nice, you know, very, very simple, just cropped look, but super boxy and like oversized. So it's just kind of cozy, you know? It could be good for layering if you want like something underneath to kind of poke out. I got another one of their jackets. This one is just like a denim jacket, but it's like a lot more lightweight, and I've really got their leather jacket in this type of shape. This is really nice. I'm a big fan of the shape on this. It's a little bit, it's very cropped, so you definitely want to wear a slightly longer t-shirt or vest like I've got on underneath here. But yeah, this is the vibe. I like it. It's, you know, it's kind of a cool look. I just like this kind of workwear, I don't know what you would call this, workwear, canvas style denim jacket. And final pickup from Entire Studios was just a pair of jeans, just a pair of denim jeans. These ones are kind of straight fit, so they're not like super baggy or anything, but the material they use is like some kind of canvas material that holds its structure very, very well. So the shape of these, at least from what I can gather from the images online, is supposed to be really good. They keep their structure a lot, which I do really like. They're a little bit slimmer, so, you know, even somewhat smarter outfits, I think this would work. Really nice fit, and I just like the way that they kind of just sit. They just stay there, you know? I could do all of this, and they just stay in this nice position. I can move them out, and they just stay there. You see, like super structured. And then lastly, I got a couple pieces from the Zara sale. This biker jacket, this one is kind of got like this, I don't know, this faded look to it, but it's like a leather biker jacket. These are definitely not the pants to wear this with, but this is a cool jacket. It's pretty basic, you know, just in terms of like what it is, but just for something a little bit different, I like it. I like the shape. It was so ridiculously cheap that there's just nothing wrong with keeping it. I do like the washed effects. No, this is not real leather, but it is what it is. And then my favorite thing to buy from Zara is pants. So I got a couple pairs of those. First one, this pair of like canvas denim. Again, similar to the Entire Studios one, it's gonna hold its structure very well. Zara just, you know, is pretty one of those like old reliable ones where I know I can pretty much just order a pair of jeans and they're most likely just gonna fit exactly how they were intended to. So yeah, these are great. And like I said, a cool look if you're wearing like any Travis Scotts that have that brown in there, like reverse mochas or the new velvet browns. Final piece from Zara, we've got this pair of abstract print pants. Another just solid, you know, solid pair of pants. Not too baggy, not too tight. This just a perfect fit. And I like the design, you know, like whatever this is, dusted, I don't know, paint splats or camo, whatever you would call this. But there you have it, guys. That is all of, well, it's most of my Black Friday pickups, but all the pickups from this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Which brand was your favorite and had the best steals in it? And if you want to check out another video, just click that one right over there. It's a banger.